So in today's video, I'll explain what the ROBOROCK Saros Z70 arm can and cannot pick up. In a moment, I'll demonstrate, but now let's explain. The robot has an expandable arm that can pick up objects. And the objects that can be picked up are either some balls. If you have a pet that has different toys, those toys can be picked up if they are under 0.3 kilograms, under 300 grams. Otherwise, it cannot be picked up, so make sure that... So you just need to know that some heavier objects won't be picked up. And it's mostly the bowls, some socks, tissues, small towels, or also shoes, like lighter shoes, like some sandals, slippers, and stuff like that. Now I'll try to demonstrate that on an example of this cloth. I'll lay it... let's place the robot here, and I can lay it here, and during cleaning it will automatically pick it up if it is allowed to do it through the settings. By default it is, but if you want, you can also manually make it pick it up by going to the manual mode, which I'll the remote control mode, which I'll demonstrate. For the remote control mode, you'll need to select remote control pickup in the app, which is right here. Then you may need to activate the remote control, which means it'll tell you to press on the power button to confirm, and then you'll need to set a pattern. I already have it set, so I'll draw the pattern. And now you'll see the video from my robot. As you can see, there's the video from my robot. And if I click on remote control to pick up, let's hold on a second. Hold on, I'll close that. Okay, I think I have fixed it, so let's try clicking remote control to pick up, and then it'll display this blue overlay. And now if I decide to pick up something manually, I can click on start picking up. Then it'll start recognizing the item, and once it finds it, it will expand its robotic arm and it'll try picking the thing up. Now, as you can see, it is trying to locate it. Now, once it has located it, it'll expand the arm in order to pick it up. And then you can manually like go with the robot somewhere, so it puts it down. Like, for example, if I rotate it with the manual control button right here, then put it down, it will put it down. What is important about it is that by default during cleaning it will automatically do it, and also you can set up some storage spaces on your map, so the robot will automatically put the items that it finds and recognizes. It'll put it in different places. Like, for example, your shoes will be put in a different place than your picked up laundry. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.